Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install apps from App Store by using your Touch ID on iPhone iOS 14. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, we have to check the apps from App Store. As you can see, Apple ID is asking for password to install app, so cancel. First of all, open setting, type in Touch ID and passcode, give your passcode, and iTunes and App Store, turn it on. Give your Apple ID passcode and go back. Go to screen time, scroll down, content and price restrictions, open iTunes and App Store and click here, always required. Now we try. As you can see, iPhone is asking me for Touch ID, so use your Touch ID. Thanks for watching.